Hi, in this video we're going to show the way to swap one PLC out of an MCP when it's damaged and replace it with a new one. The process is very simple. You need some tools to do this task. Here's the PLC that we're going to change. When we send it from factory, we're going to send it together. So we got two screws that you have to remove right here to get the terminal connections off from the inputs and also from the outputs. Now make sure that always you turn on the power from the power supply before going into this these products. Okay, so now we're gonna disconnect this connector for communication to the network and the communication cable to the display. Second part, these terminal connections got all the screws and all the connections already wired, so we're going to disconnect them. So I'm going to ask Cesar to help me out with this. Same as for the outputs. Be careful to not over torque those terminals. And then snap. Now the bottom one is the same function. Now the location of this dip switch over here is down, so that's for the network communication. We gotta keep it in the same orientation as your previous system. Once that we remove the two connections, there are 4 tabs underneath of the controller, and you can see downstairs, those yellow ones, they're actually these ones. So we're gonna install this on the DIN connection. So with a screwdriver, we're gonna play it out like this. I'm going to remove the connection from the DIN reel. Hear the click. Now the two connections are out. Now we're going to just pull the PLC out and you remove the defective unit. To install the other one, we're going to put that one there. You're going to receive it with this cover. Make sure that you take it off that you're going to before you install it, so the PLC do not overheat. We're not going to remove this time because we're going to send this one. No. Install, snap down, then the 2 clicks are the 2 taps. Now the PLC is secure, so secure to the DIN rail. Second part, we're going to install again the 2 connectors. This top part is for the inputs, and the bottom part for the outputs. Make sure that they are pretty well tightened up, so we avoid any shorts in the connection bar. And now we have the replacement unit installed. Close these covers. Now this switch, we're going to put it in the down position as the previous one connected, and then we connect back the signals to the MCB from here, and for the display we're going to connect up on this door, already pump it out, and connect this other one terminal right here. There you go. Now that we got this secure, tighten up those screws for the connection at the begin view false. Underneath too. And then we'll pour on the PLC again and make sure that there's no alarm, just the communications coming in and out. So now the system works. This is recycled system. It's looking for the doors that we don't have connected. Okay, and that's the way to swap a PLC.